Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 56. An agricultural farm engaged casual workers in their farm. The cumulative curve below shows their average earning per hour. Find the 40th percentile to the nearest whole number. A 9, B 14, C 15, D 17 and E 20. Now we're given what the cumulative distribution of casual workers working in a farm. Now this is it. This is the Ogive curve. This is the cumulative curve. Now here on the y-axis is the cumulative frequency, and since we have 50 as the highest, it simply means that what the number of workers, total number of workers, is 50. Now on the x-axis here is the average earning per hour. Now each of these boxes on the y-axis is what equal to 1. That is, each box has a value of 1, and each box here on the x-axis can be derived by saying, since here is 9.5 and here is 14.5, 14.5 minus 9.5 will give us what? 5. And since there are 10 boxes between 9.5 and 14.5, 5 over 10 will be equal to 0.5. So each of these boxes here, these smaller boxes here, represents 0.5 on the x-axis. Now we are asked to find the 40th percentile. For us to find the 40th percentile of this cumulative distribution, we used what? The cumulative frequency. That is the number of workers, which is 50. So we find the 40th percent, 40%. That's 40 all over 100 multiplied by 50, and this will give us what? 20. Now take note, 20 is not the answer, but 20 is what is the value on the y-axis, which we are going to trace to a point where it touches the Ogive to get the corresponding value on the x-axis, which is the average earning per hour. And this will give us what the value for the 40th percentile of this cumulative distribution. So since we have 20 here, we trace 20 now to the Ogive and to this point. Now this point where it meets it here, we trace it what? Downward. We trace it downward to this point. Now this is the point where it meets this what? Corresponding point on the x-axis, which is the average earning. Now we have 14.5 here. So plus 0.5 will give us what? 15. So therefore the 40th percentile on the graph is equal to what? 15. And this is the answer, and that is option C, 15. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.